Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. In this video we are going to talk about a special case when you have abstract classes extending other abstract classes. I would say it's not that special, but it definitely doesn't happen all the time. So we have employee class. Employee class is an abstract class that is being subclassed or extended by two concrete classes, developer and manager. They are not abstract, hence we call concrete classes. Now let's create a new class here. Let's call it person. Person will be an abstract class, and also we will have one method abstract that will be called print. Just to use as example, what happens when I make my employee extend the person? Remember, you cannot have multiple inheritance with classes in Java, but you can have one class extending another one and a subclass extending the same class. Basically, you can have father, grandfather, as we spoke about in the inheritance video. Now, abstract classes can extend other concrete or abstract classes, and in this case, I'm saying that the employee will extend the functionalities of the person inside the L abstract classes domain. So when I do this, remember we have one abstract method inside person, and the rule is when you have one method that's abstract, the first concrete class must provide implementation for that method. So since employee is also abstract, there is no need for us to provide implementation, but if we go to developer or manager, we do have compilation errors because we have two options: either make this abstract or provide the implementation for the method print. Since I don't want to provide that implementation, both of them are failing. Now, the option that I have is to provide an implementation inside the employee class. So I will just press Ctrl O and say override the print method. When I do this, there is no need for developer and manager to provide implementation for that abstract method. And why is that? Because remember, this method will be inherited. So even though we are providing implementation here in this abstract class, both developer and manager will have this implementation. That's why there is no need for this extended developer and manager that are extended employee to provide implementation. Now, if we come here to employee test, and we execute, we should see print in twice. So that's the rule you have to remember. First, you cannot extend multiple classes, and you can have multiple classes in the tree of your family. So in this case, we have let's say developer. Developer is an employee. Employee is a person. So developer is also a person, and a person is an object. So we have father, that is employee. Then we have grandfather, that is person, and we have like grandfather, that is object class that we don't see here, but you know, everything is object in Java. So that's the rule you have to remember. If you have abstract method, the first concrete class must provide implementation for that method. So if you have abstract class extending abstract classes, there is no need, it's optional to provide implementation for the abstract method. So that's everything that I wanted to tell you. Let's continue in the next video. Bye.